My name is Mario.
And I'm Luigi.
Wait, what?
Good day to all. My name is Mario.
And I'm Luigi. And we're here to explain about
Plate tectonics.
Buongiorno. I am Luigi and I will explain the plates. The plates are made of the lithosphere. The lithosphere is the crust and the uppermost layer of the mantle. The interactions between these parts of the Earth creates geological events.
This is the divergent plate movement. It is when the plates go away from each other. The process takes a million of years to go and it thus produces continents, as you can see.
Now this here is the convergent plate movement. As the name suggests, the plates converge, like you see here. See? Tada! Buongiorno! This is the transformed boundary where the plates collide with one another and causes earthquakes.
Tada!
Tada!
Because of plate tectonics, we have earthquakes, we have volcanoes, we have the recycling of elements within the biosphere and between the biosphere and the geosphere, and we have mountain building.
And this is important all because of plate tectonics. Without plate tectonics, life would maybe, just maybe, cease to exist. Tada! Arrivederci!